Manipur thokliba human right crisis yaona Narco Terrorism na Peerakliba Singnaba Singgi Matangda malemgi leibaksinna punna thabak tawminaduna issue sing asi koganava International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA ge Vice President Khuraijam Athouba United Nations Human Rights Council Unhrc ge Meephamda Pukhatkhre Geneva da sathariva council asige Yankaitere chuba session ge taraman suba Meephamda ngasi ayu Khuraijam Athouba North East India maroina Manipur da miyang thamduna human right crisis amasung Narco Terrorism na Peerakliba Singnaba Singgi Matangda wangangki Agenda Item 3 Promotion and Protection of all human rights, civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights including the right to development gi general debate wangaladuna Khuraijam Athouba hai Northeast India maroina Manipur da haukiba tha 15 sida sarangnaba tangdu leitadaba phibam amada lehaliba si illegal immigration amasung ningthina yengsindraba border gi phibam na tholakhibani Manipur da leriva indigenous community sing asige right to life da illegal immigration amasung cross border narco terrorism na sauna singnaba ma oirakle masida natana illegal poppy cultivation parks na tawbana mahausa gi akoibagi phibam da sauna akaiba pire lam ekar lak amaga lising kunda parks na illegal poppy cultivation sathavana Northeast India ge Myanmar ga tainaba saruk ayambada anuba golden triangle ama semlapagi issue leire hairiba narco terrorism ge thabak asida khulai paiba lupsingna ngaklo pibaga loinana Manipur da sarangna ba thona bagi maram oirei maram aduna international forum sing amasung malinga leibak singna punna thabak tawminaduna issue sing asi loishin bagi tangai fadaba lei haina Meephamda da saruk yakiba singi puning singchin ke Amarom da Khuraijam Athouba toan ba Meepham sing da saruk yaduna Manipur gi irang narco terrorism amasung illegal immigration gi matangda wanganga dori loinana Unhrc ge Meepham asige iroinana side events sing pangthoktuna international community sing gi puning singchin ga dori
For the past 15 months, this region has been gripped by turmoil due to unchecked immigration and an unsecured border. Indigenous communities settled here over a millennium face existential threats as immigrant armed groups driven by illicit opium cultivations and narco terrorism ravage the region. Cross-border narco terrorism is surging in Manipur and its neighboring states as reported by UNODC with over 120,000 acres of illegal opium cultivations. We are witnessing the rise of a new golden triangle in Northeast India. Armed groups protect these activities fueling violence, drug abuse and extremism. Furthermore, the ongoing violent crisis in Manipur exacerbates local tensions as highlighted in UNHRC, with armed groups exploiting this instability to seize control of resources and territories. We urge 57th session to pursue the Government of India to prioritize the issue of unchecked immigrations in Northeast India and its impacts on indigenous people's rights. Recognize and response to the narco terrorism crisis affecting the Manipur region of India as highlighted in recent UNODC and UNHRC reports. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of the environmental impacts of illegal opium cultivations as these factors threaten global climate change mitigation and food security. We urge this council to initiate formal discussions and seek international collaborations to address these urgent issues which threatens indigenous rights and regional stability and environmental efforts. I thank you.